How does Philips Hue work with TV? Philips Hue works with TVs by syncing smart lights to the screen's content, creating an immersive lighting experience. The lights change color and brightness in real time, extending the visuals beyond the screen for a more engaging atmosphere. This can be achieved using a Hue Sync box, the Hue Sync app, or direct integration with Philips Ambilight TVs. 1. Syncing lights with on-screen content. Philips Hue lights can mirror the colors and brightness of what's playing on the TV. This creates a dynamic effect where the lighting in the room reacts to movies, shows, and games, enhancing the overall experience. 2. Using the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box. The Hue Play HDMI sync box connects between HDMI devices such as gaming consoles, streaming sticks, or Blu-ray players and the TV. It analyzes the video signal and sends lighting commands to Philips Hue bulbs or light strips, making them react in real time. 3. Syncing with the Hue Sync app. For those watching content on a PC or laptop, the Hue Sync app allows lights to sync with the screen. The app detects colors and brightness changes, adjusting hue lights accordingly. This method is ideal for streaming services and gaming on a computer. 4. Direct integration with Ambilight TVs. Philips. Ambilight TVs have built-in Hue integration, eliminating the need for extra devices. Users can connect their Hue lights to the TV via the Philips Hue app, enabling ambient lighting effects that extend beyond the screen. 5. Customization and smart control. The Philips Hue app allows users to customize brightness, color intensity, and speed of light changes. Hue lights can also be controlled through voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, making it easy to adjust settings hands-free. Philips Hue transforms TV viewing by extending colors beyond the screen and syncing with content in real time. Whether using an HDMI sync box, the Hue Sync app, or an Ambilight TV, it enhances immersion and creates a cinematic home experience.